Bonds, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this Dujosoo Konjac Liangpi noodle from China. Konjac is like a virtually calorie-free thing. I've been told by people, and I don't really inspect my leavings, but it comes out looking the same as it went in. I don't know. Came with this, but we don't really need this per se, because I've got a strainer over there. But literally with this stuff, you just rinse it with cold water and you're good, and then you just mix the stuffs with it, and that's that. Actually, I will use that to do the mixing. Okay. And we got some peanuts even. And we've got an included fork. Look at all the articulation in that, ladies and gentlemen. Don't need it. We're in the kitchen. Looks like we got some oil. Okay. So, we're going to take this. This is the Liangpi noodle. And let's go over here to the sink. And I am just going to cut this open. Dump it in the strainer. Now the thing with Liangpi or Konjac is if it's too thick, it's like chewing on rubber bands. So you got to get the right gauge on it, or it's just not even worth bothering. At least in my summary opinion. I've had some konjac noodles that is like literally just impossible to ingest and chew. It just doesn't work. Not at all satisfactory for my happiness, but I've had others that were really quite good. Okay. So there is our noodle. And yeah, right, it's quick. Let's get all these sachets over here. Let's bring you all up in its bidnatch. There we go. Okay. The scissors go there. So we got a few sachets. I don't know. Maybe soy sauce. This one is definitely the sesame sauce. I dropped a thing on the floor. There's our sesame sauce. God, it really just does not want to let go of that sesame paste that's in the corners. That's just how it works. Sesame paste is a pain with that action. But you want to get it out. That's why you have to knead. Your sachet needs you to knead it. There we go. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get. Okay. There's that. Get on in there. He's bigger than a potato. I don't know. I'm having a good day. Then we've got this, which I believe is, I don't know how seasoned it is, but it is in oil. That's going to make it all lubricated. And then we've got our little peanutty bits. I'm going to reserve that for last before I stir this all up. Liangpi! I've had ones that are not konjac noodle, and it's been hit and miss. Generally, I like it. It's a really trippy thing. Oh, splatter. Mustn't splatter. Do we get any lens flecks? Here's our... Why are they not crushed? A lot of the time they're crushed, and a lot of the time they are not. And I prefer them to be pre-crushed. Okay, well, let's give this a try. Liangpi Konjac noodles. See, this is pretty thin, so this could work, or it could be an absolute nightmare. Okay. What that needs is some salt. You could add some soy sauce to it. I think that would make it a little better. But the sesame paste flavor is good, and the Szechuan peppercorn hit that's in there isn't bad either. So, ting ting. There we go. So there's our liangpi. It's a really, really long pea. There's that. Scallion. Sesame. Do we really need to do much else to this? I think that's good. I like that. Minimalist on this one. There you go. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is a new touch variety. This is a Nagoya, Taiwan Maze Soba. This came out of one of the Meow Mall Nakama boxes and the Nakama Noodles boxes. I keep forgetting what their URL is, so look up Nakama Nakama Noodles box on Google. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.